none of these. So cane sugar is commonly called fructose, so it is a monosaccharide. 1 gram of glucose when burnt with release of energy 717.6 kilocalories, 71.7 kilocalories, 7176, 7171 calorie. So 1 gram of glucose when burnt it release 770.6 kilocalorie energy. Glycogen is chemically monosaccharide. Option number B disaccharide. Option number C oligosaccharide. Option number D polysaccharides. Monosaccharides contain carbon 3 to 7, disaccharide contain 2 to 18, oligosaccharide contain 2 to 10, and the polysaccharide contain about 10. So glycogen is stored in animals in the form of glycogen and is in liver and muscles. This is a polysaccharide. So option number D is correct here. The most abundant carbohydrates in nature. This is the simplest and book line MCQ. Cellulose is most abundant carbohydrates in nature. The chief form of carbohydrate is stored in animal is glycogen. Option number C is correct here. Which of the following is a pure form of cellulose? This is a STP book MCQs. Cotton is a pure form of cellulose. Which of the following give red color with iodine? As we know that starch give blue color with iodine, glycogen give red color with iodine. Glycogen is made up of 100 amino acids. These are linked together by 1,4 linkage. All of the following are polysaccharide except rubber, cotton, wood, peppers. So option number C is correct here. When 1 gram of water is heated at 15 to 16 centigrade, heat absorbed is. So option number B is right here. This is a federal book simple MCQs. When 1 gram of heat absorbed water at 1 centigrade to 15 centigrade to 16 centigrade, it requires 1 calorie heat. A calorie absorbed per gram of water vaporized is called heat of vaporization. Simple definition. So option number B is correct. The specific heat of vaporization of water is, so option number A is correct. This is also present in Punjab textbook. 25 centigrade concentration of each H plus ion and OH ion pure water is about. So this is also simple and present in book. So option number D is correct here. The compound that is able to store double amount of energy as compared to same amount of any carbohydrate is. So this is the simplest MCQs. The double amount of energy is stored by lipids molecules. All of the following are the functions performed by lipid except storage of energy. This is a correct. Insulating material. This is a correct. Water absorbing material. Protection. So option number C is incorrect here. Water absorption material is not. Lipids are insoluble in water, so they are not absorbing water material. Triglycerols are also known as neutral lipids, phospholipids, waxes, and natural lipids. Triglycerols are made up of glycerols and alcohols. These are commonly called simple lipids or neutral lipids, which are not true about fatty acids. They contain even number of nitrogen atom, may contain double bonds. Fatty acids contain a single bond between the carbons. They stretch and unbranched and form protective covering on leaves and fruits. So option number D is not correct here. Protective covering on leaves and fruits was produced by waxes, not produced by fatty acids. Option number D is correct. The derivatives of phosphatidic and composed of glycerol, fatty acid, and phosphoric acid is called option number A phospholipids, option number B oil, option number C wax, option number D isoprenoids. So phosphatidic nitrogenous base choline and glycerol fatty acid, diglycerol fatty acid and phosphoric acid were present in phospholipids. So option number A is correct. Question number 41. A molecule composed of glycerols and 2 fatty acids and a phosphoric acid attached to carbon atom is called acyl glycerol, phosphatidic acid, carotenoids, and option number D, terpenoids. So option number B is correct here, phosphatidic acid. A mixture of long alkanes and alcohols, ketone, ether, a long chain of fatty acid is called VEX. Lipid, phospholipid, option number D, none of these. So option number A is correct here, VEX. Steroids are the numbers of VEX, acyl glycerol, phospholipid, terpenoids. Steroids are also known as sex hormone producing, so these were produced by terpenoids. So option number D is correct here. Which of the following esters are fatty acids and glycerols? So option number A is correct here. Acyl glycerols commonly called esters of fatty acid and alcohol. Most abundant organic substance of living things is most abundant substance in living things, that is organic, that was protein. Question number 26. The nitrogenous bases such as choline, serine, etc. are one of the most important component of which of the following components? Option number A, VEXes, option number B, phospholipids, option number C, sphingolipids, option number D, terpenoids. So option number B is correct here, phospholipids. Kind of amino acid which constitute protein. There are 20 alphabetic proteins that form 10,000 protein in human body that is present in every organisms. 170 amino acids discovered so far. 20 amino acids found in most living organisms, but a human contains 20 amino acids. One of the common phospholipid is phosphatidic acid, phosphodicholine, serine, option number D, choline. So option number B is correct here, phosphodicholine. Which one of the following act as a water barrier in insects, birds and animals? Phospholipid, terpenoids, VEXes and acyl glycerols. So option number C is correct here. VEXes are act as a barrier for insects, birds and animals. The most abundant organic compound found in cell is so proteins here again. All enzymes are proteinaceous in nature. So option number A is correct. 52 amino acids that least one amino group and one carboxylic group bounded towards carbon atom is called. So option number A is correct here, alpha carbon. Amino acid mainly differed by, so D is correct here. The type or nature of a group. If there is present a radicant hydrogen group, so this is called glycine. If present CH2OH called serine. If present CH3 is known as alanine. So they are different in nature of radical group. Keratin is a protein. Keratin and hairs are fibrous protein. Enzymes, hormones and antibodies are which of the following type of protein? They are globular, fibrous, beta plated sheet and conjugated. These enzyme, hormones and antibodies are globular in nature. Substance found in nucleosides, pentose sugar, organic base, phosphate and option number A and B. As we know that typical nucleotide is made up of nucleic acid, sugar and phosphate. If it contains only sugar and nitrogenous base, we will commonly call it as nucleoside. So option number D is correct here, pentose sugar and organic base. Question number 57. The compound present all type of cell found in the parts of cell comprise over 15 of their total dry weight of the cell. So this is a common definition that present in book contain 50% proteins. The living system part of the cell comprise over 15% of their total dry weight is known as protein. What is the number of amino acids in insulin? There are 51 amino acids that were found in Insulin. Insulin was primary structure of protein that comprise 2 chain of alpha and 2 chain of beta. Hemoglobin is a protein composed of 3 alpha, 1 beta, 3 beta, 1 alpha, 2 alpha, 2 beta. So option number C is correct here. It is comprised of 2 alpha and 2 beta chain. The first scientist who determined the sequence of amino acids in a protein was so option number A is correct. F. Singer. Which of the following protein consists of 4 chain 2 alpha and 2 beta? Insulin, hemoglobin, fibrinogen, thymosin. So as we know that insulin consists of 1 hemoglobin is correct here. Insulin, sorry, B is correct here. Hemoglobin comprised of 2 alpha chain and 2 beta chain. The sequence of amino acid in a polypeptide is determined by number of amino acid, order of nucleotides, number of H group alpha and beta, determined by number of amino acids. Khuda Hafiz. Like and subscribe my channel and bell like the button for more informative videos. We will come in a next video about the enzyme and cell biology. Thanks, like and subscribe my channel.